Minimal effective dose is the name of the game. I discourage my clients to overthrow their lifestyles with health and wellness.
Yeah, man. So it's so easy to go on a diet for 30 days or even fast for 5 or 7 days and lose X number of pounds, right? And what is going to happen to that? You're going to have to eat again, and you're going to gain it back. So it's that simple. Now, when it comes to overthrowing your lifestyle with fitness, health, what have you, it's very easy to do in a short period of time. But if you're not training for something, if you're not an athlete, if you're not having like a fight camp or what have you, it's pretty useless, because the reality is that you're going to go back to your regular life, your regular routine. I see this a lot in Bali. When people come to Bali, they just go all out, and then they come back home and it's like, oh, I wish when I was in Bali, I would do this. Like, what's the point? You're ultimately, you just experience the extreme, and then you crave that extreme, and you make excuses around why you can't do it right now in your current lifestyle. So it's kind of pointless if you don't have that awareness, it's kind of pointless to even go that direction. So as I said, anyone can overthrow their lifestyle with fitness, health, what have you. But the name of the game is that minimal effective dose. And how do you integrate those little check boxes, those little inputs into your current lifestyle without overthrowing? And there are certain levers that you have to move, and those levers, I've been able to identify them over the years, and they work. The fundamentals, the simple, kind of sometimes boring things work. We look for this next pill, and like I have so many biohacking toys and stuff like that. You just have access to cryotherapy, or hyperbaric oxygen chamber, all these kind of things. They're great as an addition. And we try to biohack. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. It's like, so we try to biohack our way into this next level. And that's bullshit, because you're not going to be able to biohack your way into the next level. You can only get to the next level with the fundamentals. Because when you try to hack a computer that is off, that's not possible. You have to turn it on first. So same with our biology.
What would be a few things of those fundamentals that you found through this journey?
It's pretty simple, man. It's sleep, stress management, nutrition, movement, environment, and then we can go into mental health and stuff like that. But from the straight up physical perspective, it would be sleep, stress management, nutrition, movement, and environment.